The Milpa Alta mole is one extraordinarily exquisite, silky mole sauce. An essential thing is to fry almost every single ingredient before you puree it into a paste. You have to have a big batch of oil. I've been heating it here over medium heat. You have so many ingredients. The smaller ingredients will take between 3 to 5 seconds in the hot oil. What you want to see is them transforming. So I have a teaspoon of thyme. 1, 2, 3. Marjoram. Anise seeds. And now, boom! All the flavor is bursting out and being transformed. Coriander seeds. Allspice berries. Whole cloves. With the garlic, I'm gonna give it a few more seconds and the spices. Half a cup of dark raisins. Dried bay leaves. For the cinnamon, it's not the cassia, it's the Ceylon. You know that it's true canela, the one we use in Mexico, and you can break it. And you wanna break it into pieces so that the passing through the oil is through most of the canela and not just the outside. Pumpkin seeds. Sesame seeds, untoasted. And I'm combining peanuts with pine nuts, hazelnuts, and pecans. Peanuts first. I'm doing so many ingredients that I think I just put Mila to sleep. Pine nuts, the hazelnuts, pecans, and we have 4 different kinds of chiles. Pasilla, which is this chile, it has a delightful, bitter, and kind of metallic taste. We have the ancho chiles that you know, and then the mulatto chile, which is even more chocolatey, and it's a variety of the poblano chile that's also dried. And then the chipotle chiles. So I want to start with the anchos. See how they puff? So this is the mulatto. Also adding the chipotles. Look at the beautiful bright red from the chipotle. The pasillas. I'm obsessed with Maria cookies, so I'm using Maria cookies. Now, Marta used a different kind of cookie that has a little bit of an orange taste, but you can try any biscuit or cookie that you like. We're gonna use corn tortillas as well. I could not believe it when Marta told me that she also passes the chocolate through oil. And this is your Mexican chocolate, the typical that comes from the bar. Of course, I'm not keeping it in the hot oil for a long time because that would just melt it immediately. Chocolate, a cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt. I'm gonna turn off the oil, mix this. Now I want to start pureeing the ingredients in batches. And here we go. I mean, how flavorful does this look already? I'm gonna mix it and I'm gonna give it another round until it's a finer paste. Yes, 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 yes. Now that you know how to make your base, you make enmoladas, which is what we're gonna do right now. An enmolada is like an enchilada, that has a mole sauce instead of a salsa, roja or verde or another kind of a sauce. So I have the base, and then I'm adding chicken broth, and then you just start mixing with the broth. You can get a whisk in here. You scream when you taste it of how good it is. I mean, it is just heavenly. I have homemade corn tortillas. This chicken is just chicken breasts that I poached. I'm mixing the chicken with the mole. Now we're gonna have the mole inside, outside, under, over, everywhere. Tortilla, chicken covered in mole. Fold. So this, I'm not even gonna pretend I'm adding a little mole sauce. Crema mexicana, Mexican style cream. And toasted sesame seeds. ¡Qué emoción! It's filling, it's satisfying, it has so many layers of flavors. It comes so harmoniously together in one bite, and I get to eat 3 of those, and you can too.